Hey everyone, Bree here with Rick's Review Hub. Craving cafe quality espresso, lattes, or drip coffee without leaving home? Today we're diving into the Ninja Luxe Café Premier Series, a 3-in-1 espresso and drip coffee maker that's a total game changer for coffee lovers. This machine brews everything from bold espresso shots to smooth cold brew. Stick around to see why it's a must-have and check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's break down the features. The Ninja Luxe Café ES601 is a 1,650 watt machine with a built-in conical grinder offering 25 grind settings for precise dosing. It has a 70-ounce water reservoir and a portafilter with double and luxe baskets for espresso or drip coffee. You get 2 espresso styles, double shot or quad, and 3 drip coffee modes, classic, rich, or over ice, plus cold brew and cold pressed espresso options in sizes from 6 to 18 ounces. Barista Assist Technology guides grind size, weight, and brew settings for perfect results. The hands-free frother has 4 settings, including cold foam, and the machine includes storage for accessories like the tamper and cleaning tools. Now the pros. Users love the rich, crema-topped espresso and flavorful drip coffee, rivaling coffee shop quality in just 3 minutes. The frother nails microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos, even with plant-based milk, though oat milk needs tweaking. Reviewers call it beginner-friendly, with intuitive controls and a durable stainless steel build. The grinder's weight-based dosing ensures consistency, and the large reservoir means less refilling. It's a great value at around $550 compared to pricier brands like Breville. There are some cons. The drip tray fills fast from auto-cleaning, needing daily emptying for frequent users. Some reported grinder issues like add beans errors despite a full hopper, though Ninja's support is responsive with replacements. It lacks a hot water spout, so Americanos need a kettle. The tray only fits 1 cup, which can be annoying when making 2 drinks. I recommend the Ninja Luxe Café for beginners or coffee lovers wanting espresso, drip, and cold brew in one sleek package. It's perfect for home baristas or small households, but might not suit those needing high-volume brewing or a hot water option. Check our full review on the channel for more tips. Ready to brew like a pro? Grab the Ninja Luxe Café using the link in the description for the best pricing through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional deals you won't want to miss. If this review helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to cafe quality coffee at home.